morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a morning routine video. I have not filmed a morning routine in over a year and a half about. I think I was living in Huntington the last time that I filmed it, so it has been quite some time. Over the past maybe month or so, I've been making a bit of changes to my life to just make myself more productive and just make myself happier and healthier and everything like that. So that definitely shows my morning routine. My morning routine currently is a lot different than it was maybe 3 months ago, and so I thought right now is the perfect time to film it because all the habits that I have right now I'm planning to continue for ever, or the foreseeable future at least. So with that all being said, this is the morning routine of a 19-year-old who works from home. Of course little things from day to day will change, but this is like the base routine. I would say that I do definitely a majority of these things every single morning. So without further ado, let's get started. Good morning. It is currently 8:15 a.m. and typically I do not ever set an alarm. That's just because I wake up pretty naturally early by myself. I mean, it's extremely rare if I sleep in past, I would say, like 8:45. I normally wake up between maybe 7:30 and 8:30, and then I just start my day from there. I mean, to be completely honest, the very first thing that I do is check my phone to see if I have any like emails or phone calls or text messages that I missed over the night, and then from that I get up. One of those habits that I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I've been trying to incorporate in my everyday life is just making my bed. It's very simple, something that I probably should have been doing forever, but I wasn't. But I'm changing that. I've been doing it pretty much every single morning. I mean, I don't really have much to make. I don't have much on my bed, and I don't tend to mess it up all that much when I'm sleeping, so it's quite easy. I just find that with a made bed, I want to be more productive. If I start my day with this, that means I'm already on a start to a productive day, and I can't break the streak. I've always gotten ready pretty soon after waking up, and that's because the same type of thing. I feel like if I'm looking presentable, looking good, then I'm going to be wanting to work more, and that's also because a lot of my work has to do with me being on camera. So they go hand in hand, and I can't really do all my work without getting ready, so we're going to start by getting ready. I now have to take my Invisalign out, because that's a new addition. I just got Invisalign like a month ago. Okay, now it's time to brush my teeth. Okay, teeth are brushed, and normally someone would go in with a skincare routine right here. I don't have one. If you had watched me for years, you might know that I just pretty much have never really had a skincare routine. And then a few months ago, I posted a video where I kind of showed a skincare routine in it, which was like very loose. It was just like me testing out products. It was fun for a little bit. My skin is very sensitive, and I am trying to figure out allergies in terms of a lot of different products, so I don't have a skincare routine right now. All that I do is rinse my face with water. It seems to work really well for me. For me, any products just make my skin bad, and if I don't use any fancy products, then I have great skin. So maybe will I have wrinkles when I'm older because I'm not using all these like anti-wrinkle creams? Possibly, but if I were to use them, my face would probably not react well to them right now. So I don't know. I've been seeing a bunch of dermatologists and like allergists and stuff. I'm trying to figure it out. But with that being said, I don't have a skincare routine right now, so we're just gonna rinse my face with water. Now that all my bathroom stuff is done, oh, I did brush my hair too, kind of forgot to film that. Anyways, I do my makeup on the floor every morning in front of my big mirror. You can't really, oh yeah, you can definitely see I have a big mirror right here. I do my makeup right here. And then pretty much every single morning when I'm doing my makeup or getting ready, I watch Big Brother. I'm currently on Big Brother Canada season 3. So, episode 23 to be specific. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, watch that, and then from that point, we're gonna get dressed. Makeup is done, and it is time to pick an outfit for the day. It looks so sad and gloomy outside. Probably gonna be cold, which I'm mad about. I just really want summer weather, but it's okay. I think I just need to wait like 2 more weeks, then I'll be fine. I think I already know what pants. I think I actually already have like a whole outfit idea in mind, so I'm gonna go get changed and I'll show you guys it when I'm done. I'm all dressed now. I was gonna wear a nicer or like cuter top with these pants, but then I realized that I'm not really going anywhere today and I'm just working, so it's kind of not necessary. I am currently wearing fuzzy socks that I slept in, but when I get ready and like actually leave, I'll put on some Converse probably. Then I'm wearing these thrifted Calvin Klein sweats. I want to call them sweats. You might not be able to tell on this video, but they're actually like really nice quality, and they're definitely something that I can dress up or dress down. I've worn full like day outfits with these pants. You would have no idea that they are kind of sweatpants because you can make them look nice. I'm choosing definitely not to today, so I have this Coney Island picnic crew neck. But now that I'm all ready and I'm feeling good, it's time to start work. So I'm gonna head to the kitchen to do that. I do every single morning because sometimes I actually do it the night before, but last night I wasn't here, so I didn't do it the night before. Anyways, I have a notebook that I write down just like my to-do list every single day. It's just a way for myself to, since I work for myself and I work from home, I create my own schedule and my own, I guess, like due dates, unless something does have a due date given to me by like a brand or something. Beyond that, it's all myself, so I have to keep myself accountable. So I have a notebook that I'll just write down like my checklist of everything I have to do today. So I just did that, and the first thing I really did want to do today was that I have a video that's fully edited in YouTube, like pretty much ready to go. There's just a few last things that I have to do to edit it in the YouTube studio, and then I have to create my thumbnail, but that shouldn't take me hopefully longer than 30-45 minutes right now because I'm a little bit hungry, so I do want to eat breakfast, but I only want to do that after I get something done. So I want to do that first. It shouldn't take me too long. But also, I just got 2 packages in the mail, and I finally splurged. Something I should have done probably when I moved in, because now it's like 6 months later and I finally decided it was worth it. It's just, they're expensive. I mean, mason jars, this is a big box of mason jars, not like crazy expensive, but like the plastic pantry organizers are so much money. So I didn't want to do it, but then I kind of got sick of my pantry not looking cute, so I decided to get it. That I'm not going to do until this afternoon, so I'm sorry. I don't think I'll be in this video. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys, I'm really excited. So hopefully in future videos on here and TikTok and everything, my pantry will be looking a little bit better. I'm going to get to work. Shouldn't take me too long, and then I'll see you guys for breakfast, which I'm so excited about. Done. I'll put it right here. This is a video that I uploaded prior to this, but I finally finished and now it's time for breakfast. So I'm going to be making a smoothie bowl. I'm sorry this is like just a basic breakfast. If you clicked on this video for this breakfast and you're not getting something elaborate and that's what you wanted, I'm sorry. However, I got you covered because my last video prior to this, like immediately before this, was a week of my breakfast video. So if you want to see more of my breakfast, make sure to click on that video. I'll like link it down below, and then if not, you can just go to my channel and click on the video before this. I'm making a smoothie because I really was craving fruit, and somehow I just have no fruit. Fresh fruit, nothing. Nothing in my little basket over there. I mean, I have some lemons, but that's about it. I have a watermelon in my car, but I want I don't want watermelon, because watermelon I can't add to meals. I don't want something more satiating, so we're gonna make a protein, strawberries, and cream smoothie bowl. It's actually one of my favorite smoothies right now. So we're gonna start out with some frozen bananas as usual. Just like a couple florets of frozen cauliflower, and then a handful of frozen strawberries. It's very important because what makes it creamy and thick and so good is I'm adding some of the vegan yogurt alternative, the plain unsweetened one from Sprouts. This has been by far my favorite dairy-free yogurt recently, but feel free to use whichever one you like and you have. And then I'm going to add some hemp seeds, strawberry milk protein powder, and then last but not least, I'm going to add some macadamia milk, vanilla macadamia milk. And now it's time to blend. Smoothie bowl is finished, and I think I'm just gonna keep it simple today with no toppings because I don't know. Well, also I just don't have really fruit to put on top, so it's kind of not a choice. And then to go along with this, I'm gonna drink some greens powder. I definitely do not think greens powder is necessary for like a healthy diet whatsoever, but I've had this for so long and I completely forgot that I did. And so I was like, okay, I just might as well use it. I don't want it to go to waste. So I put in, not even a full scoop every single day, but a decent amount, and in some water. This one is berry flavored and the other one is, I think, like citrus, and they taste so bad. And not because of the greens, it's because of whatever flavoring they put in it. I know they put it in to try to make you enjoy it more, but I can assure them that I would enjoy it if it was just a plain greens powder. I don't know why that's so gross to me. Ew. My smoothie bowl's done. I'm going to eat and enjoy this and take a little bit of a break. Watch Big Brother, I mean. And once breakfast is done, I'm gonna go on a walk, so I'm gonna be back in like a second or two to talk to you guys about that. Another one of my goals or habits that I'm trying to get myself into is to hit 5,000 steps every single day. And that's nothing insane, that's nothing too crazy. And by default, just what I'm doing throughout the day, majority of days I do hit that. But I would say at least twice a week, there are days when I, like today, am staying home the entire day to work. Like if I did not make an effort to go on a walk, to go outside, I would not have left my apartment today, absolutely not. And I don't have an apartment that has like a balcony or any type of little outdoor area. So I would have been inside all day. And there's no problem with that. This is something that I'm not going to beat myself up over. If I don't hit 5,000 steps every single day, that's perfectly fine. If it's a day that I'm not feeling well or I have other plans or something that gets in the way with it, that's perfectly fine. But I just feel like it's a good way to make sure that I'm just like staying active and just getting outside every day. This isn't something that I always do in the morning. Sometimes I go later in the day if I want to like break up my day, if I have like a lot of work to do that day. But yeah, for my walks, it's either one of two things. One, I either pick like a destination, like I want to go try a new like juice place, or if I have something I need to go pick up at the grocery store, I'll have that as my goal. And then I just make sure that I end my walk there. But today, I don't really have a whole lot that I want to get at the grocery store. I said fruit, I do want to get fruit, but I don't really want to carry a bunch of fruit back. And I just drank a smoothie, so I'm not going to go to any type of like juice place. So today I'm just going to go out and walk, which is my other type of walks, and I just walk. I don't know where, I just leave my apartment and I just start going around to wherever. And it's actually been very helpful because I've been able to see a lot of things in my area that I just would have never noticed, like cute little restaurants I want to go try out, or like boutiques. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go on a walk and I'll see you when I get back. Or I'll film some clips of my walk. So this walk has taught me two things. One, maybe don't drink or eat a full smoothie or smoothie bowl immediately before a walk because it will melt and you will have to pee. And two, there's a new boba place opening up near me, so I need to go try their boba sometime. But yeah, my walk was great. Besides the fact that the tail end of it, I did have to pee, but I made it back. I think did I hit 5,000 steps? Oh, I'm at 4,951. But I think I'll take 49 more steps in my apartment later today, so we're all good. But that kind of brings me to the end of my morning routine. Now for the rest of the day, I mean, first I'm gonna be doing my laundry. I have 6 TikToks I'm gonna try to film, and then I'm gonna reorganize my pantry, edit the week of breakfast video, and then depending on how long that takes me, I'll see if I can get started on this one tonight as well. But yeah, that was my morning routine. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you would like more just like daily type videos. I would love to do them if that would be something that would interest you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.